Hi everyone, Valerie here. The postie came today and brought me an exciting box to open. Been waiting ages for this to arrive. I've almost given up actually. I wonder if you can guess what's in it. There's some holes around the bottom here, so it's something that needs air. I can't hear anything, so I don't think it's any little animals. Let's turn it round. Haha. Live plants. So that gives you a clue. Look how well it's been wrapped up. I'm absolutely amazed. This box is so hard and everything looks like it's been packed wonderfully. So let's unbox it, shall we? I don't know about you, but I feel very excited. I've waited so long. The stuff inside is as good as the box outside. I should be very pleased with it. I think this is 3 individual boxes taped together. One at a time, shall we? Ooh, and what's in there? Oh, that's another lot. I hope there's enough year left to grow these. They're not supposed to flower till late summer, early autumn. I'm giving you a clue what they are now, aren't I? Oh, lovely. Wow, these are so cleverly packed. They really are. I don't know how long these little fellas have been travelling, but they look okay if I can get them out. Smells gorgeous. That's a little bit more awkward the way they're squished in. Oh, here they come. Yay! Can you see what they are? Chrysanthemums. I absolutely love chrysanthemums. And this is Chrysanthemum Daniela Bronze. And then we have next Chrysanthemum Astro Bronze. There's like 2 bronzy ones there. That one's called Pom Pom Purple. How lovely. So that's the first 3. Get the next one out a bit better, hopefully. Here it comes. Ooh. Ooh. Coming out. There it is. What ones have we got now? We have Chrysanthemum Migoli Yellow. We have Chrysanthemum Aloes Pink. And Chrysanthemum Anastasia Green. Oh, that will be an interesting one. Seems a bit strange having a green plant, but they are very lovely in a vase of flowers. I'll show you this a bit better, how they're packed in there. These little tabs, my fingers coming in there, they're pushed in to hold it in place. Oh, the smell is beautiful. This one, oh dear, it's called Jardank, Jadank. How would you pronounce it? Jardank. And then we've got Regal Mist Red. That's nice, I'm glad there's a red one. Oh, and then the last one, Pom Pom Bronze. So another bronze. So I've ended up with 3 different bronze ones. That's it, all empty, nothing more in there. So I've got a red, a green and a jadunk, which I don't know what colour that is. Then I've got a pink, a yellow and a purple, which I'm pleased about. And then a Pom Pom Bronze, an Astro Bronze and a Danielle Bronze. I'm very pleased with the way they arrived, the way they were packed. I wish there'd been a better assortment really. 3 bronzes out of 9 isn't very good, is it? But although they are bronzes, they'll be slightly different. One for definite is a pom-pom, so that should be nice. That was my unboxing. I'm very pleased with them. I'm so glad they finally arrived. I'm a bit worried how I'm going to keep them going now because I haven't got the compost to pop them up into straight away. That was on order and still hasn't come. But we'll see. We'll keep them going. I hope you enjoyed unwrapping that box as much as I did. Thank you for watching. For now, that's it from Valerie. Bye bye.